Happy New Year! Today is 1st of January 2023. How do you feel? Do you want to get more money in the coming year? If yes, this video is for you. Do you want to know where are we at the Bitcoin right now? Are we at the bottom, or where is the next target price? Where is our support level, the next support level, or the next resistance level? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about the money strategy, and today I'm going to share with you about the Bitcoin trend. So before we start, I have to do a disclaimer. Before you do any trade, please advise with your financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. This channel is just for education purpose. So let's start. So before I have mentioned the Bitcoin, the historical history, we have dropped the first bear market is here. So we have dropped by 86.9%, and the second one is by 84%, and now we are here is 77%. So are we at the bottom right now? So you can see by the time length. So this is a monthly chart, the Bitcoin monthly chart. The first bear market, we have 14 bath, so basically 14 months for the bear market. The second bear market is 12 months, and now we have already, now we are here basically. Now we are, so to the bottom is about 12 months, right? So 77%. So I'm going to show you next, last time in the last video for Bitcoin, I have mentioned our support level actually is here. This is our very strong support level. It's about 13.8. You can see here 13.8K. So you can see they touch few candles here, the body. 1, 2, and here is the wick, 3, and then 4, 5. So it's a very strong support level. So are we going to hit? This is our next support level. So if it's going to go down, so basically we go to this support level, support by this level. And our resistance level is our peers. This level is about 19.3. So if it bounce up, basically you can see it's a monthly chart, so it's confirmed it's already break through this support level 19.3K. So I have also advised my follower that have to sell their stock if they are not very long-term investor. If they just bought in, so maybe they just sell. So now you should be safe. Now it's 16.5K. Right? So now we are here. So we would going up and down here. So are we at the bottom right now? I would say according to the historical data. So I'm only to tell you the facts on the chart. I'm not going to give you prediction. So you need to do your own judgment, okay? So the first one is 14 baht. The second one is 12 baht. Now we are 12 baht. Are we going to do between 14 to 12 or around this range? Is possible. We don't know, right? So are we really close to the bottom? I will say yes. If you bought this coins and you keep it for a few years, I will assume this one you will have a pretty good, you will still look like a hero. You will still have a good profit here, right? So we don't, I always say never time for the bottom, because no one can time for the bottom. Even Warren Buffett cannot do it, right? No one can do it. So we just need to buy a relatively low price, and then we can look like a superhero after a few years. Do you agree? If you agree, click like and subscribe to my channel. So I want to show you something. So basically our next support level is 13.8. So if we don't bounce up, so we will bounce up and down here. So 13.8 is our support level. And I want to show you if we go down to 84%, where we will land. So basically, if we go down by 84%, we will land around here, which is like 10.9. So you can see the 10.9, we actually hit a lot of support level. So it would be around here. Okay, so here you can see they close at 10.7. You can see on the top, they close this candle, they close at 10.7. So basically it's our next support level. So you can see how many candles, monthly chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, and even the wick, you can see. So when it's below this line, so it will act like a resistance level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically 6, even 7 here. So 6 candle has touched this line and stopped at this line. So it's another support level. So you can see if Bitcoin from this peak, they drop by 84%, will stop at this level. So let's see what if they drop by 86.9%. Where does it stop? 80.9%. So let's say oops. So basically around, let me see. 6.9. So let's say here. So here. So basically it's around, the next one would be around 9,000. Around 9,000, the next support level. So you can see also they touch few candle here, one. So I can draw a line here, you guys. So around here. So you can see they touch few candles, the body as well. So here is another strong support level. So are we in the range? Are we at the bottom? Are we in the range of the low price? I would say yes, because basically would be around 14 baht and 12 baht, right? So now basically we are already in this range. So we are already at the 14 baht, already 14 months since we hit the top, right? So are we going to take one more month to confirm, or are we going to confirm this month? So let's see. The Bitcoin will tell us later. So I want to show you another graph. So in my last video, I mentioned end of November or December would be around our bottom price for the Bitcoin according to the historical history, according to this 2-point reference point. So are we going to make a bit longer time? It's possible. We don't know yet since we don't have enough data, but still we can use these two as a reference. So I want to show you another graph here. This is a Bitcoin log graph curve. So you can see each time. Okay, so you can see each time the peak will hit this yellow line, and this time we didn't hit the yellow line. And at the bottom, we will also hit the bottom yellow line. Somehow, if you can see, let me delete this. You can see at the bottom, this time, basically, we dropped through the trend line. Last time in my first video, I have also mentioned we have already dropped through the long-term support trend line. So you can see here. So it's confirmed already. It's a monthly chart here. So even we go up, we won't go up like before, like they grow so fast. We will still need to battle with this yellow line, this bottom line. But the good news is this bottom line at least it's uptrend. Okay, so it can still go up to 60 something thousand, or longer time. It will take longer. It will take a higher price. You can see here it's going up the price. So, but the thing is, like, we need to be bear in mind that Bitcoin is a bit different than before. Before we have a exponentially growth before, but like the first peak, they hit the yellow line. The whole body hit the yellow line. And the second peak didn't hit the yellow line, only the wick, and then come back. And even now, right now, we are here, we don't even touch the yellow line. So it means the growth is less than before. So it's not like before, right? From here to here, what is the percentage from here? How many percent here go up? Like 50 by the growth here is about 51,000% the growth, right? And the second one would be here to here. The second one is 12.8 thousand. So you can see it's less than before, and you can see here 15 or around 1,600%, right? So you can see the range is less than before. So, but is it still good for Bitcoin future? Yes, I would say so. Is compared to stock or compared to other asset, I would still say, well, I would still invest in Bitcoin or other coins, but I want to say the growth rate will be less than before. So I just want you to bear in mind, is it still worth to invest in Bitcoin? I would say yes, because even with 1,500% growth, I would say yes, why not? But I just want to bear in mind that the growth is not so exciting like before. It's not so much like this. So this is the difference. So I really want you to understand the difference here. So, oh, we missed one here, right? Let me see. This one is 12.8 thousand percent. So it's still a very good growth for the asset. So imagine if you invest in $1,000. So how much you gain at the end, right? But right now we are still waiting for the confirmation. Are we at the bottom or not? So let's see. So remember our next support level and our resistance level. So you will see what's going on now. But we are very close. Suppose we are very close to the bottom according to our historical history. So let's see how it goes, and I keep you update. And by the way, subscribe to my podcast. And I'm doing a promotion, just $1 per for the trial period, and after that is $7 per month. If you want to know more about the money strategy, and don't miss my last video about how to get more money right away, right now for 2023. So the strategy only actually valid right now. So don't watch it after 6 months because everything will be changed. Okay, so I see you in the next video. Subscribe. And by the way, I have if you want to check your financial freedom score, now I have a free test until we still have 3 days for free. So you don't need to type in any credit card information. Just try to test what is your financial score. Are you on the way to your financial freedom? So have a look and check the website, and I see you in the next video. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye-bye. Do you want to know your financial freedom score? Click the link below. It is free. You don't need to put any credit card information. It's limited offer. Check it out. Bye.